Okay, hello, it's Natasha, and I am going to show you how you can blog on Moodle. The way I understand blogging on Moodle, it's more about recording your progress in a certain course than posting your thoughts. Though of course you can do both. But blogging on Moodle is really easy because you don't need to write separate blog posts as you would in Blogger. Instead, you can simply find a post you have somewhere else, for example in a forum, and export it to your Moodle blog. So here is a post I did in week 1, I think it was, on how to design, what was the title? How to design an effective course design. And for this post, I found an external link, which I then discussed here. I'm going to show you how it can be exported to Portfolio. So I'm going to first press this button here, Export to Portfolio. And it will ask you to select your destination. So it says blog export portfolio. And I am going to press next because I want this exported to my blog. Of course, HTML portfolio export. It's going to be public. And I'm going to edit it after. I think at least I'll need to edit the title. And then I'll press next. And here is the summary of my report. Right. So I will just confirm and continue, and let's see what happens. Portfolio export complete. Now I want both. I want to return to where I was later on, so I'm opening this in a new window. I'm one of those people who open 1,000 windows and I often crash my browser. I know it's bad and I don't recommend it, but I will also continue to my portfolio. I want to edit my blog entry. I mean, look at the title. It's terrible. I don't want to call this portfolio export. I will call it effective course design. This is okay. I mean, it could be better. I could add a picture, for example. Okay, let's see. This is just actually coming to me. So I'm improvising. I didn't have this planned. So I am going to try and find a picture that could go nicely with what I'm talking about. So course design, and let's see what happens. Oh, wow. This is not what I was hoping for. Let's try something else. Let's try online course. And maybe leave the word design. And hope for better luck this time. Okay. MOOC. Now, massive online course. It's not what we have here, but you know, it will be nice and decorative. Of course it's huge, so we want it smaller. We will okay, it says, are you sure you want to continue? It's warning me about readers with disabilities. That's a nice thought. So something to bear in mind. And now you will have to watch me try and reduce this image. I could have done it before. Okay, you know what? I'm going to press pause now. You will be glad to notice that I managed. I just didn't want to expose you to watching me play around with an image for half an hour. Whether this is truly decorative, I'm not sure, but it's a nice thing to have an image at the beginning of your blog posts. I generally like to do that, and I think everything else is okay. So when I press Save Changes, this is what it looks like. Things to take into account, but I have this thing here, and this has happened to me before because I edited the blog post. Now I am the only one who can see it. So we need to edit this. Now every time I have a problem doing something, it's usually because my window is too large and I can't see the whole screen. So bear in mind, if you have enlarged your screen, and if it's over 100%, usually when you can't see something, the first thing you need to do is get it back to 100. And here is the button I was looking for. So, publish to anyone on this site. I'm happy with this. So, I'm saving changes. And here is my blog post. But now I see something else I'm not too happy with. So, I am going to edit this one more time and try to change the title here. Okay, just a moment. Can this be changed? Yes. Effective course design, and I will try. I'm not sure this will be successful, but I'll try to turn this into a heading. And there you go. This is a spelling error. Okay, look, I'm going to stop the recording and I'm going to correct the spelling error. You don't need to suffer and watch me do that. Just want to show you that here I have another blog post, something I exported during week 2 when I was playing with the portfolio export. And that's all from me for now. Bye.